How was the field trip?
Oh, it was super fun.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's okay. How was the concert?
Hi. Can I borrow a chair? I might need that. Hey. Recording, gentlemen.
Hey, can I have everyone's attention, please? Hi, everyone settle down, take a seat. Yeah, okay. Okay, can everyone have a seat, please? Everyone have a seat, listen up, please, and thank you. So, hi, my name is Kaya. If you don't know, I'm a member of BSU, which is Black Student Union. And today we're going to be the assembly for Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. If you don't know, like I'm sure all of you know who he is, he was an activist and a prominent leader in the civil rights movement. One of his most famous efforts were the March on Washington, where he performed his I Have a Dream speech. And although he was assassinated April 4th, 1968, I think, his memory lives on and people take a lot of inspiration from him. Now we're going to hear Adrian perform the Black National Anthem.
But just before we start real quick, do me a favor. I need everybody to pause what they're doing right now. There's a lot of talking going on, a lot of side chatter going on, and we have a very important subject we want to get to today. We have a very important speaker. So teachers, if you can help me blend in with the twos, we should only be hearing people come up here so you don't miss anything today.
Let every voice sing to earth and heaven ring with the heartbeats of liberty. Let her rejoice, sing, rise, high as the lifting skies. Let it resound. Let us go. Sing a song full of the faith that the darkness has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing the rising sun of our new day. Let us march on to victory.
Can we get another round of applause for Adrian? Okay, now we're going to hear a performance from our own EHS band. Can we get a round of applause?
little nervous. I have a dream, ode to Dr. King. I have a dream that little black boys and girls will grow up to see their beauty. That they will grow up to understand that black is beautiful. That black is not aggressive and black is not violent. Black is not uneducated nor a hood rat. Black is not lazy or dirty, and black sure as hell ain't just another statistic. Black is excellence. Black is power. Black is like the tallest tree with the deepest roots. Black is love, the realest kind of love. Black is emotion. Black is fighting and fighting and continuously fighting until you see the change that you know our ancestors wanted. And I say this because we were not taught to love our blackness. We were not told that we can be successful outside of mics and basketballs. We were expected to listen and obey what the white man said and take his dollars so we can get shunned for buying a new pair of shoes instead of trying to fit into his extremely tight white collar. We were told to keep our voices down because we don't want to make them uncomfortable. But we're tired of walking on the eggshells that others created. Because 57 years ago, y'all were teaching us that we aren't beautiful because of our blackness. And 11 years ago, y'all were teaching us that we aren't beautiful because of our blackness. And 3 years ago, y'all were teaching us that we aren't beautiful because of our blackness. So whether or not you're coming, we will continue to be loud. We will continue to say their names and teach our history. And we will continue to tell little black boys and girls that their blackness is beautiful.
Joshua led and partnered with diversity and inclusion teams as power company to drive equity work, empower
hiring, and retention for employees of diverse backgrounds, and create an environment of vulnerability and trust for a Fortune 10 company. Joshua has a unique skill with people that allows for authentic and transparent connection. His ability to galvanize, motivate, and inspire has helped him create environments within organizations that deliver results and exceed business unit targets, profit objectives, sales, and service. Joshua holds a Bachelor of Science in Sociology with an emphasis on the sociology of Black Americans from the University of Washington and a Master's degree in Religious Studies from Howard University. We are glad to have you here with us today.
I got my own mic. That's cool. Is it normally this quiet in here? No? That's what's up. Evergreen, can you do something for me? Yeah. Can you do something for me? Can you do something for me? Where are the seniors at? The seniors, are you happy to be graduating this year? Are the seniors here? Do they show to the senior? Seniors, class of 2023. No? Yes? Kinda? Can you make a little noise?
Hey.
Oh, this is a tough group. Okay. Junior class. Junior class. There we go. The sophomore team. Yeah, okay. All right. I see the seniors are just done. They're ready to be out of here. Are the freshmen in the house? A little warmer in here. I want to first thank. Can somebody turn my gain down a little bit? They're working on it. But I do want to thank my guy Roger Booker for bringing me out. Last year I had the pleasure of speaking with y'all virtually when we were working our way through all the COVID madness. But I appreciate the opportunity to be here. A little bit about myself before I get too far into my speech and have some words with you. Seattle born and raised. I went to Franklin High School. You went crazy for that? Thank you. But I grew up in the South End, 98118 to be specific. Went to University of Washington, Howard, and I came back home because I thought that I wanted to be a college professor. But that's not really what we're in the cards for me. I'm married, 3 babies, 10, 8, and 6. And I'm in the class of 2000. Damn, class of 2000, really? Hey, you? What's this? That's better? Okay, cool. All right. I won't be before you long, but I want to talk to you all a little bit about why we're here today to honor this man, Dr. Martin Luther King. He had a great set of accolades. By 19, he had already received his Bachelor of Arts degree from Morehouse College. But by 13, he tried to kill himself twice. By 13 years old, Dr. King tried to kill himself twice. The suicide rate from 15 to 24 is the second leading cause of death for folks your age. Third leading cause in the United States. Why are we talking about this, Joshua? Because Dr. King was a human. He dealt with his own mental issues, his own mental turmoil. So before we raise him up to this elite status, which we should appropriately do, the man was amazing. I want you to know he was flesh and blood and walked around with the same issues, the same hurt as you are. He was a human. And he navigated in spite of that anyway for us to be able to recognize such a marvelous work that he did for our world. I say all this to say
is that as you think about your own journey, what dream are you living? A dream isn't something that you have to go and aspire to do. You get to live that dream right now, depending on the decisions you make to live it. A part of my day job is I'm a life coach. So I help people of all ages figure out the things that are holding them back, the places where they feel stuck. And in the safe space, I give people the opportunity to think through what it is that they are struggling with. I can only imagine what high school would be like today. The constant comparison of you versus another person. How many likes can I get? Does my TikTok dance hit? I need to do a little TikTok with my nieces. I think follow me on IG, Joshua A. Fields. On my IG, hit me up. I need a few more followers. At Joshua A. Fields. It's in the program. Let me get it to you. But there's a constant world where we're constantly comparing ourselves to an illusion. And we use that illusion to decide if we're good enough or not. If we're worthy or not. I really, really love what we do with Dr. King. But the full story was, leading up to his final days, his team around him was very concerned about his levels of depression, about the toll that the journey was taking on him, about his mental capacity to be able to do the work. We all need somebody to hold space for us and have an outlet. You can't do it alone. There's a Harvard study. It's been going on for 80 years. Anybody familiar with Harvard? It's a small school in Boston. You heard of it? No? And you guys can talk to them too, because that's cool. Anybody heard of Harvard? Yeah? Okay, cool. We'll get the interview up in a second. They've been doing an 80-year study, and the study is about the secret of life. Like, what's the secret to happiness? And they followed about over 200 people for 80 years, studying people. And some awesome things emerged from this. It wasn't the college you went to that led to your happy life. It wasn't how much money you made either. It wasn't how many followers you had on your Snap. It was how many relationships in your life can you have where you don't feel stifled for being who you are? How many relationships do you have in your life that allow you to fully express who you are?
0.
Or are we all sitting around here participating in friend groups that we don't fit into? But it feels cool because if I'm not a part of this friend group, I feel rejected. I feel isolated. And I won't fit in. If you can learn anything from the study, I would encourage everybody here to find their people that allow them to be yourself. But you're not thinking about, I have to do this, I have to participate like this, I have to say it this way so I can fit in, so people won't reject me for something that I'm not even. Who you are and how often you get to fully express yourself has a great benefit to your mental health. Find people that you can connect with that accept you for you, that allow you to be yourself without apology. I get it, especially when I was coming up through high school, the need to fit in and be accepted by our community, or by your friend circle, can be detrimental if it's not something that you want to do. How does this all connect to Dr. King? Dr. King found a lifestyle that he was willing to die for. He was willing his attention, what he could do to make sure that he left his mark on the world. I'm telling you, you are not much different from Dr. King. You are a human that deserves community to make your fully expressed self be visible and be a part of what it means to be in this world. You matter. When you get caught up in what it looks like on social media, it affects adults. I might post something and think it's hot, it don't get likes. I kind of feel a way about that. Especially when we're into this measuring of what it means to have engagement, what it means to have metrics that tell you who you are. And who you are is connected to the people that believe in who you are without you trying to perform. Without you trying to be something that you're not. I would encourage you to find space to be your fully expressed self with people that can hold you and not stifle your development and encourage you to be your best self. If you don't experience that here, if you don't encourage to be that here, make it a point to look out for yourself enough to go find it and not settle to be around an environment that is not amplifying who you need to be for you. The last point I will leave you, I have a bit of a call to action. I don't think we express to people enough what they mean to us. People need to know the role that you play in their life. I do this activity with a bunch of high-end executives and people that have a bunch of degrees and all that kind of stuff. And we all need the same thing. We need community. We need people that hold us accountable to being better versions of ourselves, even when we don't want to. Do you have a friend in this room that has your best interests? Or are they constantly shrinking you to make them feel more comfortable so you don't outgrow them? No, you don't need to try for the team. We got to get on the sticks better tonight. You don't need to go and try to be the class president. You trying to be better than everybody? The negative self-talk, your environment matters, I'm telling you. Who you surround yourself with, I can guarantee you, I can predict your future based on who's surrounding you. Well, I want to drive this, I want to live in that neighborhood, I want to go to that school, I want to be able to take these vacations, I want to be able to make this kind of money. Well, take a look at what's around you. Who's going to hold you accountable to the excellent life that you desire? I know it's there, but that's all the popular stuff we see all on social media. Travel here, look like this, do that. But your world around you matters. Who you hang out with matters. I can only imagine Dr. King could not be Dr. King without a team of people around him that was pushing him, that was amplifying him, and got him to a point where even the stigma of what it meant to be dealing with depression, they were still looking out for his best interests. He could not be Dr. King by himself. He needed a community, he needed people. So I want you guys to think about that as you navigate your own individual lives, about what it's going to take to be the best version of yourself without having to apologize for it. That includes your parents. Oh, I know they got a plan for you. I want you to get really courageous about the plan for yourself. A plan that develops you. A plan that holds you accountable to what you want versus what someone else wants for you. Because I'm going to tell you, whatever it is that someone gives for you, you are not going to live that out. You're going to be resentful. But you have to do self-work to be able to get yourself over that hump. The last thing I'll say before we go is I want everybody as you think about this, I want everybody to take a moment. Are they able to text you? Can you guys text on your phones? Yeah. They got phones you can text? All right. Is it cool? All right. I want you guys to do this. I want you to text somebody that you love and tell them, I need you. I need you. Let that conversation happen. Like, what you mean you need me? What's that about? I want you to just text somebody, let them know I need you. And if you're bored, tell them that you love them. I know, now we get too late. I don't care who it is. It could be a friend, it could be a staff member, faculty member here. I want you to let somebody know that their presence in your life is needed and that you love them. Now, when somebody's done that, I want somebody to raise their hand, and I would love to hear about who you texted and why. Do I have a brave soldier? Where's the soldiers at? I need a brave one. Anybody sent the text? Come on, we should come on up here, brother. We got a break. Give an applause for the my God. Jeffrey, tell us who you texted and why. So Jeffrey said he texted a group of friends because they were important to him, and they heard Jeffrey be Jeffrey. I want everybody to experience that because we're just on the brink of seeing how dope Jeffrey's going to turn out. And if there's anything that his friend group has for him, it will be encouragement, it will be unapologetic support. There won't be this, oh, you need bigger than me, so let me try to stifle your growth so I continue to shine. Find these people that have your back. I want you guys to reassess your environment, because your environment will dictate what your future looks like. Last thing I'll say before I go, I keep saying that because you guys keep working in this environment. Last thing I'll say before I go, I needed a friend circle. I needed some homies that have my back. I needed some people that were going to hold me accountable to be me, to live a life that was going to push me to be beyond my limits. That cannot happen by being around people that constantly make you feel comfortable. You have a dream to live. That is not something that you have to wait on. That's something you need to experience on a daily basis if you have the right people surrounding you, encouraging you to be your best self. I love you, appreciate the opportunity, Mr. Woodward, and hey, until we do this again, thank you guys so much for the opportunity. Hello? Hello?
Join BSU meetings every day not every day. Every Wednesday. From 2:35 to 3:15. In MPS. Hey, have a good weekend, y'all.
We understand you guys can prepare for lunch. If you want to shake Mr. Russell's hands, we leave. Take a phone with. He's not here for this. We have to go. Thank you all. Have a good weekend. And again, if you're Dr. Fields, he's not here for the leave. Take it. Come back.
Suck at this. Please, Jeffrey, what's up, brother? What's up? You're so welcome.